Every time I'm in the street, I hear.
Hi, hello, welcome. This is GlowwyAngel. Welcome to another tutorial. Hope you guys are doing okay. Today I'll be doing a small tutorial on how to make a chibi in Gacha Club. Hope you guys enjoy. We'll start with the body for the chibi model. You can follow the adjustments or do your own freely, but just make sure that the body is small and the head is bigger than the body itself. For the outline, I prefer using pastel colours, but you can use whatever you want. For the eyes, pick eye number 16 and make it any colour you want for the eyes. Again, I prefer using pastel colours or a darker colour from the outline colour or the skin tone. You're going to remove the eye highlight and adjust it the way I'm adjusting it, or you can adjust it the way you want. The aim is to make sure that it's low, big and fat, just to make it have the sort of big cutesy doll kind of eyes. Now for the eyelashes, we're going to go into eyebrows. You can use whatever eyebrows you want as long as it's thick, but I prefer to use these curly ones. Now for the colouring, you're going to make the main colour and the outline colour the same and make sure that it's a deeper colour than the eyes. Adjust it so it touches the eyes to make eyelashes. We're going to go onto face, then go into blush 8, the transparent little bubble blush. Then you're going to make the blush bubble more lighter than your eye colour. For the mouth adjustments, I don't do anything, but for this, if you like, you can make it bigger and more thicker, but the default mouth is already nice enough. Now we're going to move on to the face accessories. On face accessory 98, pick the exact same colour as your eye colour. Make the main, secondary and outline the exact same colour. On the adjustments, you're just going to want to adjust it below the eyes to make a little blob. Go into face accessory middle and pick accessory number 57. For this, you're going to want to make the colour lighter than your eye colour or your skin tone. In the adjustments, this is going to play the role as your nose and as a bit of blush on the side. For face accessory bottom, you're going to pick the exact same accessory number 57, but this time you're going to make the colour a darker colour than your eyes or your skin tone. For the adjustments, this is going to play the role as your eyebrows. Now after all of that, you can pick out your outfit and your hair. There's no rules for this one. I just recommend that it fits the colour palette of your eyes, but really it's up to you. Now you've done your chibi model, I'll show you another way that you can make it even more cute. Go on to other then hide, then you can take away the feet and the hands. Look at it, isn't it so cute? Little stubby legs and hands. You can still do whatever kind of poses you want and it looks adorable. Here are some examples of some chibis that I did. I hope you like them. We have a little Hatsune Miku and a small baby gothic vampire. And that's it for today's tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any suggestions, don't forget to comment and I'll do my best to get to them. Bye!